Can you match or outdo the kind of numbers you saw in the first half, do you think?
Yeah, I think the first half clearly is impacted by the pandemic, especially the months of February and March, given the China shutdown and everything. So I think the second half will be a lot stronger than the first half in China. And also we're heading to what we call the golden season of auto sales in the months of September, October, and November. So I think we have a strong momentum we expect for the business.
Okay, and what are you prioritizing in the next 12 months in terms of the business strategy post-IPO?
Well, I think we'll continue our investment into our R&D efforts. We expect to launch our X-Pilot 3.0 in a few months. So that's something I think we're excited to watch. We also, are investing into areas of brand and sales channel development, as well as building out our supercharging network. Those are things that I think are very exciting development to watch as well.
And it was a successful IPO. How much runway does that give you?
Well, I think we have, abundant capital for our current business plan. So I think, with abundant funding, we actually can be a little bit more forward-leaning in our R&D efforts, our explorations of new technology and products, or accelerating some of the product schedules that we have. So I think give us a lot of flexibility in our business plan.
The company posted a loss of about $110 million in the first half. Do you expect to see those narrow in the next 6 months to 12 months? What is the time frame for profitability?
No, I think for the net loss, I think obviously driven by how much we're investing in the business. So it's hard for me to provide sort of forecasts at this moment to you. But I think what we're focused on is our continued growth in our delivery numbers, as well as improved gross margin of our product. As long as those two are growing according to our business plan, I think the net losses will be narrowing naturally.
Would you look at some point to bringing battery production in-house?
Not something that we are focused on at the moment, because it's a very different business. It's also very capital intensive. We have very good supplier partners, so we don't expect to do it ourselves.
So the competition between Xpeng and Tesla in the Chinese market, Elon Musk says he wants to be producing potentially 1 million vehicles here in the Chinese market at some point. How would you characterize the competition now between Xpeng and Tesla in the Chinese market?
Well, I always said that we are actually focused on really catalyze the conversion of the auto market from ICEs to EVs. In that effort, I think we are partners with Tesla. We're all doing the same work, trying to make sure more and more consumers are attracted by smart electric vehicles. And that's what we're offering, and that's what Tesla is offering as well. So our focus is much bigger pie. We're only less than 5% of the market. There's 95% market to be grabbed from the gas engine vehicles. So I think the development of Tesla in China, development of Xpeng, as well as other smart electric vehicle players, together we are accelerating that change in conversion.